Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This problem we have an escalator, and we want to find the velocity necessary for the belt to move so that it can move somebody that has a mass of 80 kilograms and that it can produce a power of 100 watts. We know that power is equal to the force being produced times the velocity. But in this case, since the movement is going up, this is the velocity in the y direction. So we can expand this by the force times the velocity times sine theta. And what we're looking for is the velocity necessary. We know power that's given to us. We know the only force that's acting here is the weight of the person. So we need to find a value for sine theta. So this escalator actually creates a triangle. So the length of each step is 250 millimeters, but if you divide by 1,000, you get 0.25 meters. And we know that there's 32 steps in this escalator. So x is 32 times the length of each little step. And we know that the height is 32 times the height of each step, which is 125 millimeters, but divide by 1,000 to get 0.25 meters. So then to find the hypotenuse, which we'll call z, it's just 32 times 0.25 squared plus the height 32 times 0.125 squared, and then all of that to the square root. For the hypotenuse, we get 8.9. So then from here we have sine theta is equal to, so 32 times 0.125 is just 4. So sine theta will be 4 divided by 8.9. So now plug this back in for our equation for power. We have, again, power is equal to force times the velocity, and then our sine theta is 4 divided by 8.9. So now we got to solve for velocity. So you have velocity is equal to power, which is 100, divided by the force, which is mass times gravity, the weight of the person, 80 times 9.8, times sine theta, which is 4 divided by 8.9. So the velocity is 0.284 meters per second.